up, everybody? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Yo, we back up in this thing with a special video, man. Hey, man, I meant to get this video out, you know what I'm saying, like last week, you know what I'm saying, but, you know, got caught up, got lost in the sauce, you know what I'm saying, sorry for the absence, but you know we coming with that fire today. Yo, today's topic, matter of fact, I just want to say, man, I told y'all, man.
I told y'all niggas. Y'all thought I was playing, but I told y'all niggas. Told y'all. Y'all better believe it. The streets is here.
Yeah, I told y'all, man. Like, this is my city, Chicago, man. Like, I do this. You know what I'm saying? We got a few YouTubers, you know, from the city. You know what I'm saying? Like, definitely your boy Unbreakable. You know, you got the homie, you know, PM Kicks coming up. You know what I'm saying? But when it comes to just being out here in the streets, having the relationships, the connections, and the sneaker community and the sneaker culture in Chicago, I know it. I know my subscribers may not suggest it, but I'm telling you, I'm that guy. I'm that dude, man. Come on home, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, holler at your boy in the comments box. You know, I got all the information, man. I'm gonna tell you what's happening out here. And when I tell you, I told people that them MCA, you know, Virgil Off-White AF1s weren't gonna be dropping on June the 10th. I told people, oh yeah, we getting all the clout today, baby. I'm putting up links to old videos where I told people about it. You know what I'm saying? I'm bringing, you know, we're gonna show y'all some footage that I took weeks ago. Go check, you know what I'm saying? You know, the IG, man. You ain't following me on IG, please follow me on IG. You know what I'm saying? I keep y'all in the mix up to date. But, you know, today is the day, man. What a better day to let y'all know. You know, first of all, not only get y'all inside look at the Virgil space, but to also let y'all know, you know, what time it is as it relates to just how things are going to be moving these next couple of weeks at Chicago as we approach Complex Con. You know, the Virgil / Museum of Contemporary Art, aka MCA event here, you know, this weekend. And then also leading right on into, you know, All-Star 2020, man. Chicago finna be lit from right now, this summer, all the way to February of next year, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm your #1 spot for all the information, all the looks. You know, I'm gonna let y'all know what time it is. You know what I'm saying? Without further ado, yo, let's get into some of this retro footage, man. Come on, walk with me.
It's gonna be fun. Do you know we're gonna have any like special merch or anything like that?
Any special what?
Like merch? Should we expect that? Like tees or anything?
Oh, yes.
Wow.
And you can, if you join a membership, like you can go get a tote, an off-white tote. Comes with a membership. You want to join a membership?
An off-white tote? Really? Really? How much is that? Like right now?
Yeah, if you sign up a membership.
How much is the membership?
Well, come here.
Yeah, right. Let's talk about
look at this. You know what I'm saying?
Let's talk about it.
That might be nice. I know I'm especially excited for those shoes. That's what everybody's excited for.
Yeah, I heard about
You
that
all
on
excited to
Instagram.
deal with that? I know what we're doing. And then, like, that's what's up. I'm so glad. So we'll have, like, clothes. And then anywhere
They're going to have a shop on the 4th floor.
shop on the fourth floor. Oh, shit.
I can bring you up here.
That's day one. So I'm wondering if, I know everybody's buzzing about the sneaker.
That's going to be only online.
That's going to be only online?
Only online.
Oh, you all just said, forget it, we're not even going to deal with that, huh?
Yeah, well, that's the way they wanted to do it, I guess.
Ah.
Yeah. So the sneaker's going to be online. But we're going to have a shop with a lot of his stuff. Yeah, it's going to be great.
Jesus, only online.
Can I help you?
The plot gets thicker. Well, she can't be wrong.
If you buy the 70 or the $85 and higher is the membership to get the tote.
But you said he's not gonna be here on the June 10th. And the store, the gift shop's not gonna be open either?
It will. Yeah, the store will be open, but like all the people keep asking me about the shoes.
Right.
That's all happening through the Frenzy app. That's not in our pop-up store.
Okay, so there you can just expect like special MCA Off-White.
I haven't seen what is in the store, but I've been assured that all the shoes and that kind of stuff is all being done through the Frenzy.
Wow, so we got a Frenzy app finally happening in Chicago. That's crazy. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yo, so as you can see, they can't be wrong. Now, check the outfit, check all this. My bad for not giving y'all that sooner. You know what I'm saying? But like, that was weeks ago. We knew. You know, I had already inside connects. You know, not only did MCA come through again with finally posting it, because people, you know, everybody from New York, everybody from the Midwest probably done already converged upon the city, camping and all that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? But it was never gonna happen, man. We don't do things like that in Chicago. We chill, you know, we relax. You know, we players. You know what I'm saying? We cool out here. You know, we ain't all on all the New York craziness and madness. We ain't fighting each other. That's why New York come up here and fuck with us. You know what I'm saying? Law and order, baby. You know what I'm saying? So they did that. I knew weeks ago that they were never gonna do that. You know what I'm saying? And you know, the rumblings came out. You know that, you know, the Frenzy app and all of that stuff. You know what I'm saying? And you know, keep in mind, a lot of these little sneaker drop bloggers, you know, they're not from here. They don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's all speculation based on, you know, what they think could happen based on other, you know, drops and things of that nature. But like, if you're from here, you know that not only, you know, the world revealed a little early that, you know, Virgil's gonna have a space. You know, not only, you know, Virgil just put his space up, but like, yo, this Chicago, we got Sneaker Pass here. So not only can you expect, you know, these joints to drop via the, you know, the Frenzy app, you know what I'm saying, which is going to be a Chicago exclusive, which is going to be shop drop. It's not going to be a date that's going to happen, like that everybody's going to know about and be able to flood the streets. But them shits are also going to be Sneaker Pass, baby. Why wouldn't they drop those shits in Virgil's new recreation center? It's just, there are going to be so many pairs in the city, it ain't going to make no sense, baby. You know, and I'm loving it. So it's gonna be lit, man. It's absolutely gonna be lit. You know what I'm saying? You heard it here first. We gonna get in, we gonna talk about it. I'm answering all questions, man. Get in the comment boxes, get in the comment box, you know what I'm saying? You know, and you know, you got a question about, you know, what's happening, what you My bad, I got a phone call. So get in the comment box about, you know, if you want information about, you know, what you should do, if I should make a video about that, you know what I'm saying, and you know, we definitely gonna come through. I also wanted to show y'all a little footage, you know, kind of give y'all a little, you know, quick little vlog, you know, kind of going through the Virgil space. For those of you that live outside of Chicago and ain't never seen the space, you know what I'm saying, I wanted to give you all the opportunity to do that. You know, I thought the space was pretty dope. You know, light work. Definitely, you know, a couple of Virgil-inspired workshops and things that people are going to be able to enjoy. But then they're also dropping exclusive Off-White product, you know, probably by week. Once a week, some exclusive shot drop. I know already, you know, we've had Off-White white Prestos that are re-released through this space.
Sheesh. Random Joe? No, it's lit.
You know, just yesterday they did the black Prestos. You know, and the way that that's gonna work, I mean, it's gonna be city exclusive. So they're giving out exclusive access to people that have interacted with the space that are in the city, and you just never, and it's completely at random. So you ain't here, you thinking you from another city, you gonna just come down here and think you gonna come up. It's not gonna happen that way. They're showing love to the city, and that's probably how they're gonna be doing it all throughout the rest of the summer. You know what I'm saying? If I had to guess, you know, the blue, you know, forces are gonna drop, you know, Complex Con, Chicago. So all of you that bought the VIP access and all of that, shout out to you. Y'all definitely gonna have some pairs up in there that's gonna be lit. Be a Sneaker Pass, you know what I'm saying, on the Sneakers app, you know, for Chicago exclusive, probably in a range. And then Frenzy app for the MCA. That's 3 different locations that are gonna have those sneakers, man. Again, you heard it here first. So when I'm right, give me my clout, man. Give me my props. You know what I'm saying? Again, I hope y'all enjoy it. You know, with that being said, I'm going ahead give y'all some footage of this Virgil space. and we're gonna get right back to it.
Chicago to the world, it sort of is, a metaphor for me. Chicago's a unique city in the landscape of America, in the context of the globe. It makes for a perfect state of mind to sort of be a viewer to the rest of the world. It's sort of outside major cultural capitals, and being from Chicago gives me a unique perspective. Obviously, as a teenager, like the Bulls era, Michael Jordan, the hip-hop era, the art and the architecture, everything from Mies van der Rohe to where I went to school, IIT, all the great buildings, the history of architecture, the history of tall buildings. Being from Chicago has given me an appreciation for all those different disciplines. What does the Recreation Center mean to me? The Recreation Center is a way of contributing to the local community. Better yet, the local creative community. I see it as a place to sort of experiment in new ways of how the public can interact with product. I think it's a conversation place. It's a place of learning. It's a place of sharing under the context of sport and creativity.
So again, man, that's a quick look at the Virgil space. Just give y'all an inside look at what that looked like, man. Just, the craziness, a little bit of footage from the craziness that happened that first day. You know what I'm saying? Everybody's up in there thinking that they were gonna, cop off whites and all of that. It ain't happening like that, baby. I just told y'all how they were dropping the real product. You know what I'm saying? But they definitely had a few items in there. The Be True collection early. People got to get those like walking moon boot, top sack shits that I went in on a couple of videos ago. And LA to Chicago, Jordan 1s, / SBs, which is cool. That's cool. You know what I'm saying? But That wasn't what everybody was out there camping for days for. You know what I'm saying? So, I hope y'all like the space, man. I think it's cool. I'll definitely be there, you know, a lot. Participating in workshops. We'll definitely bring y'all footage from that. You know what I'm saying? But without further ado, man, yo, again, hit that comment box, man. I want to know how y'all feeling. Y'all here got all the information you need to know. That's how you copping. You know what I'm saying? Blue AF1s. It's your boy Q. Q the Flu. Q the Influencer. Chirac Q. You know what I'm saying? You already know how we rocking around here. Gang, 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 gang. Yeah.
This Chicago!